Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share a chart like TradingView. And for this it's very simple, and I will show you exactly the begin step until the end. So first of all, we close this chart right here. Then the first thing that you need to do is we click here on File, then we go to Open New Intraday Chart, and then select right here the gold chart. That's fine. Then right now we have this chart, and this chart looks ugly in my opinion, but it's fine. Then from now we go to global settings, and then at global settings we go to tool settings, and then there are 4 things that we need to change. The first thing is after single tool use change, click this one on hand. Then the second one is right click exits current drawing tool, click this one on hand, and then adjust regions to always active with current tool, take this one on yes, and then support vertical scaling movement with hand tool, take this one also on yes. Then we do apply all, and then we do OK from here. If you don't have that option, like when it's not working with Alt and H, we go to global settings, customize keyboard shortcuts, and then right now we go here to tools and then click on hand, and then right now you see here what you need to do. So we click on Alt and H and then it will work, but you can also change this if you want to control or shift, whatever you like. So now we click on OK, and now we can move with our hand. Then the last thing that you need to do, and that is what I like on the chart, is when we will have the candlestick bars. So what we're going to do now is we go to chart, and then from here chart settings, then we click on bar period, and then from here we go to graph draw type, and then we change this OHLC to the candlestick bars, and then we do apply, and now we have that nice TradingView look. So this is exactly what you need to do to get this TradingView look. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.